Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Reese coming at you. I had to get up early today, earlier than my wife, so I can make this video before she wake up. Today is October 26th, our first year anniversary. And Natasha, I want to say happy anniversary, baby. I love you. Thank you for everything that you have done. You are the sweetest person that I know. I'm glad that I met you over 18 years ago, and like I told you, I knew you was gonna be my wife from the beginning. This has been the best first year being married to you, and also has been the best 7 years with you. You are like the sweetest person that I know. So I want to thank you for everything. I pray that God bless us with many, many more years to come, and I'll be looking forward to it. I love you. Have a good day, and let the show begin. Hey, what's up, folks? Living Life TV coming back at you. Yeah, we down here in Kingsland, about to go visit this Texas Chainsaw Massacre House from the movie. So we pulled up down here to see what's up with this house. They're supposed to have like a festival or something going on, but this is the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre House. So we came back here to see what's up in Kingsland, Texas.
All right, people, follow us.
Here we go.
Have an awesome day.
Here we go.
Peace.
Peace.
Yeah, so my name is Robert. I live here since 1990 in Kingsland, Texas. And that house, that movie, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre was filmed in that wooden house.
Okay.
But they removed it from the original film location.
Mm-hmm.
They drug it right over here and set it out there, and it sat empty and kind of all apart for a long time. Then eventually it became a restaurant. And it's been there, I think, 20 years.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the legend behind it. But and if you go over and talk to them folks, they might be able to tell you a little bit about it or get a brochure or something.
Okay.
But I was here when they brought all that over there. Now the last thing, there's some cabooses, like trains. They brought all those in there, and those are like a hotel room.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, we gotta check it out. Ooh, there you go right there. Here we go, y'all. Check this out. It's Leatherface. What's up? This is the Texas Chainsaw House, y'all. It's called Hooper's now. They turned into a restaurant. There go the van. This is the van they was in right here, baby. Hey, how you doing? Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Leatherface. Hey, let's see what
That's
you got
cool.
over there. They got Freddy Krueger. Classic.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Willing to check in? Oh, yes. This is right down that hallway, right over there. The actors are over there.
Okay, thank you. Where you checking in? Through here? Are you in line? No. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, this is where you buy the merchandise and stuff from. These are the original actors that was off in the movie.
You know what? If you got some of these, I can take it to one of my stores. You got a bunch of these things? Okay.
Alan. Alan. It's been a minute since I've seen the movie, man. Oh, wow. Wow. See, this is him right here. Man. Man. Yeah. Yeah. Man. Dallas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. I seen it online, so I said I gotta come down here. Yeah. It's, you 80? Wow. Wow, look at it. Wow. Like 70s? Wow. Because the movie came out like the early 80s? 74? So I think I seen it. I was born in 78. So I seen it when I was younger. Yeah. Wow, yeah, when I was a kid. Yeah.
So, and when my part came on, the theater blew up because it was mainly black people. They're not used to seeing those things.
Exactly.
You know, there weren't many black people in the film. Certainly, they were still alive by the end of the film.
Mm-hmm. You're right.
They killed them off right at the top.
They wasn't playing. It's like as they entered the house, it was just bam, bam. Boy, they wasn't playing at all. They're playing it all.
He put the hurt on all of them.
Yeah. But my thing was, I ain't gonna just walk up in no house like that. I ain't doing it. Yeah, when the first one didn't come out, I'm out. Oh yeah, you can have that.
I never thought of it from that angle. That's probably the only reason that they didn't find a way to kill my ass off right off the bat.
Yeah. Cause I'd have been like, oh, I ain't doing it, man. Like, I'm one of those, man. Hey, the first person go in, that's the crash dummy. I ain't doing it. I'm sorry. Man, that's cool.
Right. Oh, Chicago. Yeah. The whole theater was.
Is that like your So after you did that, did you do anything else? Or you just...
No, I mean I was basically in the trucking business.
Oh, okay.
Basically. And they just hired.
Oh, you good? No, you good. You good.
They hired me. Here we go. Here comes the bull. Tank in the house. So I basically, I told you Bob basically hired me to do the truck driving. But I came to UT as a musician.
Okay.
I was a black person in the Longhorn band.
Oh, okay. That sucks for you, but it's all good.
Yeah.
No, I'm just I got you.
I started out obviously with the college there. And decided my wife and I decided to go to San Francisco. Well, I just stayed there. Didn't even know the
Yeah, yeah. I got a good stable. I can't even say the word.
So we went to San Francisco, and while I was out there, my brother-in-law came out, and we bought this damn truck together. And we started going over the road from Texas to California. Back and forth.
Okay. I bet that was fun.
It was fun, man. I loved it. I loved trucks. So once I got the truck, California was just too many roads and just difficult place to go. Back and started, trying to play music around here, but I still had the truck. And that job opportunity came up, and I said, yeah, I can do it. So I drove back, and just a one-day job. I didn't meet Marilyn Burns. I didn't meet John. I didn't meet Hansiger. I didn't meet most of them until 4 years later.
Oh wow!
Because they were out doing these shows right here.
Oh, okay.
And I didn't know about them.
You didn't know about you. Okay, gotcha. Somebody left you out the loop.
They still do.
Still do.
After I quit playing, I started. I bought a recording studio. Did that for about 20 years. Got tired of that and built a business with some friends of mine that were programmers. I wasn't. So my job was to sell it. Because what I was doing was selling music.
Okay.
Music is hard as shit.
I bet it is.
So I knew how to sell it. So I became a salesman for the company. And 30 years later, we sold it and got out of business.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
And now I'm just an old retired guy going around there doing this.
Yeah, hey man, enjoying life. Yeah, this is upstairs. Yeah, look your little Leatherface. Ah, look at little Leatherface. I see little Leatherface. Look at it. That's you, man. Ain't that you? Oh, excuse me. You got a YouTube channel, it'll be on there.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's pretty tight.
And what's your name? What's your name? Noah? Oh, don't fall. How old are you, Noah? How old are you, Noah?
4.
You 5? 7? You 7? Oh, you 4. Oh, nice to meet you. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Nice to meet you, Noah.
Yeah. Hold on. We're getting there. It's almost it's tight up here. Don't touch it.
Yeah, this was the room.
Dude, that hat is awesome.
Oh, thank you. Oh man. Yeah. Yes, sir. Man. Yeah. Yeah, when you filming, it's like, man. You gotta sign it. You gotta sign the book.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, it did say try me on the ground. I didn't see that.
Okay.
Ooh.
I still know we found some at Walmart too, so.
Walmart had one for like
Where'd you get? He has a big one.
Oh wow, man. Yeah, I remember this movie. Like when people came in the door. Okay. Yeah. When people came in the door in the movie, this is where they went. They went to the back. It's a restaurant now, but this is where they went. Where he was picking them off right back here. How you doing, man? Yeah, he was picking them off. They walked through the door, and they was going back here getting picked off. Leatherface was tearing them up back here. So now, like I say, they turned it into a restaurant.
Hello.
It's my weakness. It's my weakness.
All about flavor.
What do you have hot?
Hot. They're all kind of like in the medium.
I like hot.
Borderline hot. So, but
Uh-huh.
I want you to enjoy those.
Okay, okay.
Do the lineup and see what you think.
Yeah.
Here, the attack of the killer tomatoes. Roma tomatoes, Ronalds, and jalapenos. A little bit of chicken bouillon. Got a little bit of the green inferno here. This is tomatillos, Ronalds, and jalapenos. Put that on quesadilla, enchiladas, on chicken, pork.
I can see that enchilada.
Next up is our signature salsa. This is our salsa matcha. Olive oil, almonds, and 3 different smoky peppers.
Okay.
Put that on everything. You can put it on cakes,
I'm going now. Bye.
cheese, chicken, pork. I like it over cream cheese.
I like that. Man.
That smokiness.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ready for some hot sauces?
Can I have another chip? I'm sorry.
This is our Italian style sauce, Raging Bull, basil, garlic, Italian white wine vinegar, and it's got fresno and chili pekin.
And it tastes kind of like what is that they put in people like pesto?
Basil.
Yeah, the basil and the pesto. Yeah.
Kind of like that.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. Yeah.
The up and smoke. This is chili rabo that we smoked up, and then we add in tomato, garlic, and cilantro. Nice on mac and cheese.
That's good too.
Nice on tacos and seafood. And last but not least,
You making it hard for me, man.
my job. This is Death Wish. This is chili rabo peppers with chipotle and a little bit of ghost. Good for everyday meals where you want to like spice.
I like that. I like that. How much are these two?
These two are 12 and 10, 22.
Okay.
2 for 20 for you.
You know what? I want one of these and I want 2 of these. That right there is crazy. Good.
Got you right here.
That right there is fire, man. Seriously, those 2 right there, man.
Those are our top sellers.
Man. Hey man, appreciate you, man. Appreciate you.
Hey guys, we just finished touring the Texas Chainsaw Massacre House in Kingsland, Texas.
Oh yeah, and I got to sit down with one of the actors. His name was Guinn. He was a truck driver in the movie, and I had a little interview with him, and he just told me a little bit about himself. And yeah, pretty cool guy, and it's good to see these guys, still alive and well. You know, you're talking about a movie that was back in the 70s. And
1974.
Yeah, and I remember when I watched it when I was a kid, and you talking about scared. Yeah, it's crazy. And then just to be able to walk through the house and see the actual house where the movie was shot is kind of amazing. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm glad we got to come out and finally, get to see something like this, because yeah, this is like once in a lifetime type thing. So yeah. So you got anything left?
Yeah, and also there is a restaurant inside the house. We was gonna try to eat in there, but it was such a long wait, so we didn't get to try the food.
Oh yeah, it's pretty packed today because they have, like I say, they having this event. So yeah, it's a pretty nice spot, and the restaurant is called Hooper's. So you ever in Kingsland, Texas, just make sure you come down and check out this historical house. You know, like I say, I remember this movie, and when I go back and watch it now, it's still kind of crazy. So hey, Living Life TV.
Guys, until next time, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
Living Life TV, baby.
Mwah.
Out of there.